Transforming your garden into a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing is an art. Garden decor is not just about the plants or the layout, it's about how you bring life into the space with thoughtful, creative touches that make it feel like an extension of your home. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a small patio, garden decor has the power to redefine your outdoor space. Let's dive into some captivating garden decor ideas that will elevate your garden to a whole new level. 1. Statement garden sculptures. Adding sculptures to your garden can immediately create a focal point. Choose something that reflects your personal style, whether that's modern, rustic, or whimsical. Metal or stone sculptures can bring a contemporary edge, while wooden or ceramic pieces offer warmth. Consider placing a sculpture among lush greenery or at the end of a winding garden path to draw the eye and invite exploration. 2. Outdoor mirrors for depth. Mirrors are not just for indoor spaces. When strategically placed, outdoor mirrors can create the illusion of more space and light. Place a large mirror on a garden wall or fence to reflect the greenery and natural light, making the space feel larger and more open. If you have a small garden, this trick can make it feel expansive and mysterious. Opt for a mirror with a weatherproof frame to ensure longevity. The charm of bird baths and feeders. Invite nature into your garden by installing bird baths and feeders. Not only do they provide a home for local wildlife, but they also become beautiful, sculptural elements in your outdoor space. Choose from vintage-style stone bird baths or modern metal designs, depending on the vibe of your garden. The constant activity of birds visiting your space brings it to life and adds a peaceful atmosphere. 5. Vertical garden wall art. Wall art isn't just for indoors anymore. Use garden walls or fences as canvases for creative vertical garden designs. Attach decorative planters, wooden trellises, or even upcycled items like old window frames to display trailing plants and flowers. This idea works wonders for smaller spaces as it draws attention upwards, utilizing every inch of space. You could also hang botanical wall sculptures or garden-themed paintings, adding texture and visual interest. 6. Water features for tranquility. A water feature instantly turns your garden into a serene oasis. The soothing sound of flowing water helps mask urban noise and brings an element of relaxation. Whether it's a small fountain, a cascading waterfall, or a koi pond, water features make a stunning centerpiece. Incorporate floating lily pads, aquatic plants, or smooth river rocks for a harmonious blend of natural elements. Even a simple, small tabletop fountain can make a big impact in a modest garden. Mosaic garden art. Mosaics can be integrated into your garden in a number of ways, whether it's a mosaic-covered bench, stepping stones, or garden walls. The use of vibrant tiles brings color and texture to your garden in a unique way. Create a DIY project by gathering broken tiles, ceramics, or glass and transforming them into custom designs that reflect your personal style. 14. Outdoor fire pit for ambience. An outdoor fire pit becomes the heart of any garden gathering. It adds warmth and light, making it perfect for evening get-togethers or quiet nights and stargazing. Fire